Let us now begin with the poem Hope is the thing with feathers. Hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. Perches or tappe means alights or roosts. And sweetest in the gale is heard, and sore must be the storm that could abash the little bird that kept so many warm. Gale or Farad's Mazboot Vara means very strong wind. Sore or Triv, Harwa means causing great pain. Abash or means make uneasy, make it keep quiet. I've heard it in the chilliest land and on the strangest sea, yet never in extremity it asked a crumb of me. The author of this poem is Emily Dickinson.